Hi, Miss Iya. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself? What's your full name, ma'am?
I'm Iya Marmojeca Domingo,
Your age, ma'am?
25 years old,
Where do you live?
Pilar Albert,
What's your current marital status? Are you single or married?
single,
Do you have kids, ma'am?
no,
How many siblings do you have?
4, I'm the eldest,
Okay, tell me about your educational background. Did you finish high school or college?
no, I'm 2 years graduate
Mhm.
at University of Northern Philippines
Okay, can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
because I want to find a job to sustain my sister's school financials.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
No,
How about local, ma'am? Or do you do household chores inside your house?
yes,
Can you please specify, ma'am, what household chores?
I will do cleaning,
Mhm.
gardening, and caring my sisters.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, hardworking, multitasking, and honest.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to help my sister's school financials
Mm-hmm.
and to stop my father at farm.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Talk nicely,
Mhm.
talk calm, and read books.
Okay, your last question. What is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Dear future employer,
Mhm.
I will promise to you that I will work
Mhm.
hard and finish my contract. Thank you
Okay,
very
thank you
much.
much.